Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to use SyncMate's Contact Form 7 integration. First of all, you need to install the SyncMate plugin from WordPress. Once installed, activate the plugin as well. Now go to your Assistro account and configure your WhatsApp first. Click on WhatsApp configuration and add the required details asked in the form and submit it. Then click on connect and wait until the QR code is visible. Now open WhatsApp on your phone and scan the QR code. Once you scan it, click on next and test your WhatsApp connection. Now add an application for Contact Form 7 by filling the required details in the form and submit it. Once your application is created, go to the settings page and copy the token. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the SyncMate tab and open Contact Form 7 page. Paste the token in the token field, push the toggle on and save it. Now navigate to the Contact tab and open your contact form. In the SyncMate tab, enter the name attribute of the phone field same as in your contact form. Enter the message you want to send when the contact form is submitted and save it. That's it. Now whenever the user will submit your contact form, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to him instantly.